Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing one of the most popular premium folding bike locks on the market, the Bus Board Granite X-Plus 6500. I'll walk you through the build quality, real world use, pros and cons, and whether this lock is worth your money. Let's get into it. So the Bus Board Granite X-Plus 6500 is a high security folding lock made of hardened steel. The steel bars are 5.5 mm thick and connected with heavy-duty rivets. It features the Bus highest bicycle security rating, security level 15, according to Bus. It uses the X-Plus cylinder, which is designed to resist picking and manipulation, as you can see. And most versions come with two keys, like this one with a built-in LED, as you can see, and another one without the LED light, plus the mounting holster. You just open it like this to the side and then remove it. As you can see, it's hardened steel with heavy-duty rivets. It's extremely solid build quality. The lock feels like it's serious protection for expensive bikes and e-bikes. The X-Plus cylinder is known for excellent resistance against picking and tampering. As a folding lock, it's compact and convenient to carry, especially with the included frame mount. It's insurance approved in many countries, which is important for e-bikes insurance. And it's a great middle ground between a bulky chain and a rigid U-lock. It also has some weaknesses or cons. It's fairly on the heavy side, but not too heavy. The standard is the smallest one is 85 centimeter length. It can be too short to reach around thick poles, big racks, or awkward objects, but it also comes in 110 centimeter model, and because it's a folding lock, it's less flexible than a chain lock. You need to install the frame mount correctly, so bad installation can cause rattling or reduced durability, but other than that, it's a great lock. Hey, so this is my little e-bike. I'll show you how I installed it and how easy it is to pull the lug out and put it back in, and how it looks. Yeah, so this is the e-bike, the folding bike. It's fairly compact, so I wanted a folding lock also to match the aesthetics of my e-bike. In this case, I've installed it at the steering stem. To remove it, you just open it up, pull it out like this, and when you want to put it back, just fold it up again and then just press and it locks in place. It's very sturdy, it doesn't go anywhere, and yeah, it's secure. Yeah, so I'm riding the bike now. For what I can tell you, if you listen carefully, it does rattle a bit, especially on those on the streets where it's paved with the paved stones, and you have quite a lot here in Holland. But it doesn't. You don't hear the rattling that much, even when you go up a curve. So it stays in place fairly secure. No noise, or little noise. But when you ride on a fairly flat surface, it's very silent. Yeah, keep in mind this is the small version, so you don't have a ton of real estate or space to lock your bike up against larger poles. But in this case, if you have a small bike and you want the best folding and secured lock, compact version, this is one of the few that you can purchase. In my opinion, it's manageable. In my opinion, the Bus Board Granite X-Plus 6500 is one of the best folding locks you can buy if you need a high security lock without carrying around a massive chain. It's perfect for urban riders, commuters, and everyone who parks an expensive bike in public. Just keep in mind the weight and limited length. If you often lock your bike to big objects, a long chain might be a better option. But for everyday city riding, this lock gives you confidence, convenience, and strong protection. Alright guys, this was my full review of the Bus Board Granite X-Plus 6500, the 85 centimeter version. If you already own this lock, drop your experience in the comments. I would love to hear how it's holding up for you. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more bike tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!